Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wedding season is upon us and with it come wild bachelorette parties. That's why for today's video I wanted to give you a bachelorette party look makeup tutorial, and I asked my beautiful client and bride-to-be, Caroline, to be my model. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, I hope you continue watching. As usual, I'm starting with prepping the eyes with a concealer, and I'm using Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I'm taking it all the way to the brow bone, and once it's blended, I'm following with a dust of translucent powder to set the concealer in place and prepare a smooth base for eyeshadow. For my first eyeshadow, I will be using the color Cyclone from the Natasha Denonda Lila palette. It's a beautiful, highly metallic duochrome that features the copper color with a pink highlight. And I'm starting by pressing it to the lid and sliding it all the way down to the lash line, which gives like maximum color payout. Now I'm picking up the color Amara, which is a medium brown berry color, and I'm going to apply it to the crease using the back and forth motions like a windshield wiper. I want to add more warm brown color and dimension to the look, so I'll be also using this beautiful deep terracotta copper shadow from MAC. To deepen out the look, I'm switching to the dark brown color from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I will be running it across her lash line first, and then I will be taking it up to the crease, blending it out. In between each application, I also really like to take a clean blending brush and blend everything together so as the look is really seamless, just as I like it. Now I'm switching to a black matte eyeshadow, and I will be deepening the lash line for that ombre look and more definition. So I'm keeping it closer to the lash line than the brown eyeshadow that I used previously. And lastly, I'm running the black eyeliner pencil from Tilbury very close to her lash line, and I will be also tightlining her lashes with this eyeliner, so I'm running it on the upper waterline. For a touch of beautiful shimmer and light reflection, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the rose gold shimmer from my Tom Ford Golden Mink eyeshadow quad, and using my finger, I will be placing it into the center of her lids. Before I continue, I will be now removing all the fallout with a makeup removing wipe, and the one I'm using is from Kleenex. I will now go ahead and prep Caroline's face with Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. It's super water rich and full of vitamins, and it creates a smooth and hydrated base for makeup that will hold the foundation. For that glow from within look, I'm applying Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting from Acouin on the highest points of her face. This will also reflect the light super beautifully. Now I will be using Makeup Forever HD Foundation Stick, which is one of my new additions to my Pro Makeup Kit, and I will go ahead and seamlessly blend it across her entire face using my IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush. And also, never forget about your neck and ears too. Now I'm lining and filling in her eyebrows using the Chella eyebrow pencil. To add even more density and a customized look to Caroline's eyelash extensions, I'm going to go ahead and add a bunch of individual lashes. You can watch my go-to nighttime makeup look video tutorial to see how I like to customize the eyelash look. Now I'm using my favorite peach corrector underneath her eyes to get rid of any redness. And then I'm following with the Laura Mercier concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it with a damp beauty blender underneath her eyes. Now I'm applying the same eyeshadow shades on her lower lids as well. And using the color Magnolia from the Lila palette, I will be placing it in the inner corners and then at the very beginning of her lower lids to brighten this area. I will now go ahead and run a black gel liner on her lower waterline. This will make the eye look even sharper, sexier, and it's just perfect for the wild night out. Let's now highlight her nose, her forehead, and the middle part of her chin as well. And for contouring, I'll be using the MAC Concealer and Correct palette in dark. And don't forget to snatch that nose. To set everything up, I will be using Givenchy Beauty powder. It's a really luxurious powder. So first I'm using a smaller brush to target the highlight areas, and then I'm switching to a bigger powder brush to dust the powder all over. For the bronzer, I'm using the contour shade from Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow palette. And now I'm switching to Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush in Call My Blush. For the golden glow, I will be using Laura Mercier Face Illuminator in Addiction. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to her lips, and I'm using MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Whirl to line her lips. I'm following with Nude Stick Lip Color in Pose. And lastly, I will be topping the lips using this beautiful, soft, pearly pink shimmer lip gloss from Runway Rouge. Now just a few sprays of Urban Decay Cosmetics All-Nighter Spray, and she is ready to party. So this is the finished look. It's high impact, it's strong, and it's sexy. It's just a perfect look for a carefree night out with your girlfriends, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Everything used in this video will be listed down below as always, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and tag me on your Instagram with your recreations of this look or any other looks that I featured on my YouTube channel. I really want to see it, so keep tagging me. I want to see all your looks. Thanks so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye!